BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So earlier this month, Microsoft rolled out PowerToys version 0.63, which I posted on. And there is a new feature that's coming to PowerToys called File Locksmith, which I posted on 2 weeks ago. And this will be a new Microsoft PowerToy that will be added to the list of utilities available in the app, which is still in development, and it's not known exactly when the feature will be made available, but it will be used to check which processes are holding files open and preventing them from being deleted. Now, I'll leave a link in the description to that video, but once again, just another video just to let you know that we seem to be we'll be getting another 2 new features and utilities rolling out now, once again, over and above the File Locksmith, to the ever-growing list of utilities in the PowerToys app. Now, the first is called the Settings Backup feature, and it's going to help you to backup and restore your settings that are available in the PowerToys app. And as many of you know who do use PowerToys, there are numerous utilities and toys which have numerous settings. So I think this is a handy feature that will be able to let you back up all those settings and then restore them quickly at a later stage. And it's going to be part of the general page. So it's going to be part of this actual home page, the general page. And if we just look at a screenshot that was made available over on GitHub regarding that settings backup and restore, yeah, we can see settings backup and restore, and you can backup and restore your settings, and you can choose the location, and yeah, you just get a whole lot of different backup information. And I think that's actually going to be a very handy setting if you are using PowerToys regularly, just to get all those settings backed up. And if there is an issue somewhere, you can always restore them at a later stage. And then the next feature is called a hosts file editor. Now, if you don't know what a hosts file editor is, basically, just to give you a quick definition of that, it's a file which is used by operating systems to map a connection between an IP address and domain names before going to domain name servers. So basically, this file is a simple text file with the mapping of IPs and domain names. So it's mainly used by IT admins, but previously Windows had no tools to edit a host file, and now that's going to be coming to PowerToys. And previously you had to use and depend on Notepad to work on a host file. And now with the host file editor, you can add new entries. You can see there's a couple of settings here available. You can be able to add new entries, reposition, filter, disable, and ping existing addresses with this new host file editor. And then you can also add comments to those entries. So I think that's also going to be a handy feature. Quick and simple utility for managing host files, especially if you are an IT admin. And at this stage, it's not confirmed, just like the previous File Locksmith, when these 2 features, as mentioned today, and then that previous File Locksmith will be added to PowerToys. But nonetheless, just wanted to let you know if you do use the app, and obviously when those do become available, I will post and let you know accordingly. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.